Hello everyone, this chapter is for you to share the third part, seam finding function of the laser seam tracking sensor. Chapter R. How to use the seam finding function. Open the seam finding program of the standard template as shown in the screen. The first is their placement of the seam finding shooting point. Move the robot. Irradiate the laser line on the desired weld position. Suppose you want to find this weld location, just shine the laser on this position. It is necessary to ensure that the laser on the image is within the field of view. If the robot position is too high out of the field of view, this is not acceptable. Need to be in the appropriate field of view, usually in the center of the field of view. After teaching the point, replace the first point. Click to replace. The fourth line is to call the parameter instruction. It is necessary to synchronize the process number parameters on the software side of the host computer. Suppose the teach pendant program is written E. It will call the process parameters in the host computer software E. The teach pendant is set to R. In the host computer software, the process parameter R is called correspondingly. Therefore, the host computer software and the robot teaching device must correspond one by one. Suppose this is E, then you can see that the software interface of the host computer is also E. It shows that this is corresponding to, because here is the green line, it can be detected normally. Then the sixth line is to calculate the points captured by the laser and transmit them to the PE point. Point PE transferred to robot coordinates. Then the seventh line turns off the laser. Eighth row, run the robot to the position of the laser shot in the frame. First, the robot will move to the shooting point. Then turn on the laser. Then call the process number parameter E. Then save the point to PE. Then turn off the laser. Then move to the shooting point. The attitude value of point PE calculated by the laser is the same as the attitude value of the laser shooting point. Suppose the posture of the shooting point is different from the posture of welding. It is necessary to add another command to replace the attitude of PE point. In this way, other postures can be satisfied to reach this point. That's all for this section. Thank you all.